Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs and turning off autoplay on iPhone or Android. So if you want to turn off the autoplay suggested song, here is the quick steps on how to get that done. So open up your iPhone or your Android. So when you open it, just open the Spotify app on it. Once you open it, then go straight to settings. Once tap on the settings icon, most times the settings icon looks like a gear icon. Once you find something like a gear icon on the app, just click it. Then tap on the gear button icon. You can see in the top right corner of this home screen, locate the autoplay option. Scroll down to the playback section, then look for the autoplay toggle, which is the autoplay button. Make sure you turn off the autoplay. Once you turn off the autoplay on the device, and then autoplay on the other device too if available, then save the settings. After that, the change will take effect immediately and Spotify will no longer play suggested songs after your playlist or album end. So if you want to do that, just follow this quick guided steps, then you'll be able to stop suggested songs from play automatically on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.